Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Olayemi. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. And for the new and old subscribers, thank you for supporting me. Today, I want to share with you how I make Nigeria buns. Nigeria buns is a very super easy, simple, delicious, and tasty recipe. This recipe is very crunchy. So let me take you step by step in preparing Nigeria buns. If you are interested in knowing how I make these delicious buns, please do not forget to hit the like button on this video and the subscribe button on this video to get updated every time I upload new recipe. Now let's go straight to preparing our buns. Let me introduce you to our ingredients. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar. Please remember to save your flour before you start preparing your buns. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder into this other dry ingredients. So I'm going to add extra 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Our next step is to start mixing our dry ingredients. So I'm going to combine the dry ingredients until everything is properly mixed before preparing our wet ingredients. Our dry ingredients is properly mixed. It has been combined properly, so I'll just spread it and give it a small hole just to add my wet ingredients later. So I have 1 egg in a bowl. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract just to give it a fine flavor. This recipe is my personal recipe that I used to prepare buns. It's actually different for other buns. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of milk, low fat milk, just to mix the egg. Now it's time for me to combine the ingredients together. Please do not forget to hit the like button on this video if you have not done that yet. And remember to give us a comment. What do you think about this recipe in the comment section? I'll always be there to answer any of your questions. If you have any question regarding my recipes, let's add our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. I'm going to add it together. You can see how it looks. Now I'm going to combine our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients gently, step by step, before adding other wet ingredients. So now I'm going to add half cup of milk into the dry ingredients to make it a little bit wet. This puff is very rich in flavor and ingredients. Now I'm going to add half cup of water to make it mix properly. So I'm going to mix our ingredients gently. Please do not forget to leave down a comment in this comment section. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Our ingredients is properly mixed. You can see how it looks really smooth and well mixed. So now I just want to mix it a little bit so you can see how it looks. You can see it's very well combined. So our next stage is for us to fry this in a fry pan. We already have a cooking oil in a pan which we heat in medium heat. Please do not overheat your oil so it will not get burned. I'm going to use my measuring spoon to scoop this. So I'm going to put it in the fryer because it just needs little heat to fry this, so everything will get cooked properly. So I'm going to keep on doing this, so don't let me waste your time. This is the outcome after putting it in the fryer, in a pan so we are going to keep on stirring this. I just want to change it to the other side. Remember to reduce the heat when you are frying your buns so it will not get burned. If you've not subscribed to this video yet, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get updated every time I upload new video. I just want you to get updated, get informed every time I upload new recipe. So please remember to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. So we are going to keep on frying this until it's golden brown. So you can see our buns is ready. So we are going to remove our bun. I already put a kitchen paper towel in a plate. So I'm going to put our buns into the plate so you can see these pop buns really look inviting. You can see, right? I guess you'll be feeling hungry while saying this. You can see it looks really crunchy while saying it. You can see everything look good brown. This buns is ready. It just is, you will enjoy eating this buns while it is warm. You can as well eat it when it's cold. It all depends on your choice on how you like eating Nigeria buns. I really love this recipe. You can as well try it. After you try it, please give me a comment in the comment section. I just want to know what you think about this recipe. This Nigeria buns is a common Nigerian snacks that you can find in Nigeria street. However, kids really love eating these snacks. You can prepare these snacks, these Nigeria buns, for your kids, and actually they are going to love it. My kids really love eating these buns. Please do not forget to check the description for more links of my delicious Nigerian snacks and recipes. I'm going to put the ingredients in the description below. Please remember to check that out. Do not forget to check other recipe like Nigeria buns and this potato and egg recipe. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Please check it out, or you can as well check this box over here too for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching this recipe. I guess I will see you in my next video.